Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial about project. Today, we'll explore the project template tool. Project templates are invaluable for standardizing project workflows and streamlining project management processes. Let's dive in. Please ensure you're logged into your Parsimony account. Navigate to the project module and select Project Template. Here in the Project Template dashboard, you can view a list of existing project templates. To create a new project template, click on the Add button at the top right corner. In the form that appears, fill in the details of your project template. Start by giving your template a descriptive name in the Template Name field. Next, specify the project type as an external or internal project. Then click the Edit button on the right side to add tasks to the template. Now a new section will appear where you can specify details for each task. Enter the task name, description, and estimated duration. Repeat this process to add all the necessary tasks to your template. You can also assign the task to a specific team member if needed. Once you've added all the tasks, click on the Save button to save your project template. To use the project template, navigate to the project list and click on Add Project. In the project creation form, select the desired project template from the drop-down menu under From Template. After selecting the template, enter the project name and click the Save button to create the project based on the selected template. You'll notice that all tasks from the selected template are automatically populated in the project. You can review and adjust task details as needed. You can also modify project details such as the project name, timeline, and team members assigned to the project. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the project template tool in Parsimony. It's a powerful tool to standardize project workflows and improve project management efficiency. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Parsimony offers robust project management capabilities to streamline your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.